Dreame Z10 Pro review. Hello guys, here I am back with another amazing video. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, press the bell icon for future notification. So, at first, let's discuss the overall thoughts about this Dreame Z10 Pro vacuum cleaner. The Dreametech Z10 Pro has a costly price, but you'll get a robotic vacuum outfitted with an auto-empty base, excessive suction power, a smart navigation system, and a mopping attachment. The auto-empty base of the Dreametech Z10 Pro mechanically empties the dirt bin of the robotic vacuum, and you can set an agenda for when it will empty it. For instance, you can set it to empty the dirt bin after each dusting session or after each 2 or 3 cleaning sessions. The auto-empty base has an ability of 4L, and the dirt bag can keep 2 months' worth of dirt. This is useful, especially for those who have dirt allergic reactions and those who don't have sufficient time to often empty the dirt bin. However, you are required to continuously purchase dirt baggage if you prefer to hold on to the usage of the auto-empty base. The Dreametech Z10 Pro is outfitted with a robust suction strength of up to 4,000 PA. It has a superior suction power than the extra high-priced iRobot Roomba i7 Plus that solely has 1,700 PA of suction power. In addition, the Dreametech Z10 Pro's remarkable suction power makes it ideal for vacuuming carpets since it is able to pick up dust particles that are firmly embedded in your carpet. The Dreametech Z10 Pro is outfitted with a LiDAR navigation machine, so it is aware of which areas it already cleaned and hasn't cleaned so that it can go to all the areas of your room. It can additionally create a specific map inside the app. This app allows you to easily customize the map by creating boundaries to block off or exclude areas you do not want the robot vacuum to visit, along with creating cleaning zones where the robot vacuum will easily clean specific areas. It can keep up to 3 maps to no longer have to purchase separate robotic vacuums for each ground stage of your house. Moreover, it has 3D impediment detection, so it will now not bump into objects. Unlike different robotic vacuums, the Dreametech Z10 Pro will no longer push mild objects, such as your pet's empty water bowl, thanks to its obstacle detection. However, a minor inconvenience of this function is that it is too touchy and it on occasion avoids dust due to the fact the Dreametech Z10 Pro identifies the dust as an impediment that it needs to avoid. Thankfully, you can disable the hurdle detection in the app. The Robotic S6 Max V is a greater environment-friendly obstacle detection due to the fact it has an AI, and it can discover what obstacle it has detected and ship it to the app collectively with the label. Other than vacuuming, the Dreametech Z10 Pro additionally is a mopping function. The mop can get rid of mild stains from the flooring and can make your ground seem cleaner and shinier. However, the water tank solely has a potential of 0.15 L, so you may have to fill up it often if you load it mop a massive area. Furthermore, unlike the vacuuming characteristic where suction is mechanically increased when carpets are detected, the mopping characteristic does not automatically stay away from carpets. Therefore, you need to create digital boundaries on specific areas with carpets so that the mop will no longer destroy your carpets. The Dreametech Z10 Pro can run for most of 150 minutes, which is identical to the Dreametech D9. With its lengthy battery life, the Dreametech Z10 Pro is appropriate for those who stay in big houses. If the Dreametech Z10 Pro is now not capable to end its cleaning cycle, it will routinely return to its charging dock, and after recharging, it will go again to the place it left off, so it won't go over the areas it has already cleaned, hence saving time. Overall, the Dreametech Z10 Pro is a high-quality choice of cash, is no longer a hassle for you. It is well worth the rate due to the fact it can entirely clean and keep carpets, can empty their dirt bin, can create an accurate map, can mop, and can work for a long time. Navigation, mapping, and cleaning. Upfront is a high-precision 3D sensor that helps to keep away from small objects. There is additionally a wall sensor that maintains the robotic shut-to partitions as a lot as possible. Underneath is one aspect brush for nook and close-to-walls cleaning, 6 cliff sensors, curler brush, and self-emptying outlets. The Dreame Z10 Pro maps the residence through the usage of a litter that scans around, developing a highly correct map. Your 3D sensor helps to keep away from small objects like socks, cables, slippers, and different small objects that may also lie on the floor. I discover it works impressively properly in real-world usage. Slowly jumped into my preferred feature, object avoidance. I tried to see how nicely the Dreame avoids cables and observed that it is proper at seeing white cords, however cannot feel the black ones. I have by no means examined a robotic that would be flawlessly correct at averting cables, however the Dreame Z10 Pro was absolutely surely appropriate at it. I would say the high quality I've viewed so far. It cannot feel the tiniest matters most of the time, however would possibly capture some with the sensor. However, it did an excellent avoiding socks I left laying on the floor. So, now the final question is, why you should purchase this vacuum cleaner? If you have dirt allergies, manually emptying the dirt bin of the robotic vacuum may set off them. The auto-empty base of the Dreametech Z10 Pro is very useful due to the fact it lessens your interaction with dirt because it robotically empties the dirt bin for you. If you don't have sufficient time, the Dreametech Z10 Pro would possibly be an excellent choice because it is completely computerized and via the app. You can set a cleaning agenda, and you can additionally set the time when it will empty the dirt bin. Therefore, you can use extra of your time on different essential matters and can go on for weeks besides wondering about cleaning. If your home is completely carpeted, superior suction power is required so that it can deeply clean your carpets up to their roots. Thankfully, the Dreametech Z10 Pro has an outstanding suction strength of up to 4,000 pounds, making it a lot extra appropriate for carpets. If you stay in a residence with extra than one floor, the Dreametech Z10 Pro is appropriate for you because it can store up to 3 maps. Hence, you can use it even for your basement and on any ground stage of your home. So, this was the complete review of this vacuum cleaner. I hope you will like it, and you can surely have one if you need so. Now, it's time to end this video. We'll see you soon with another exciting video. Till that, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The link of the Dreame Z10 Pro is shared in the description box, so you can go through it for further details.